You can't remodel homes and cut corners. And on my latest flip, nothing was skipped. This isn't just my newest listing in McCormick Ranch. This is my own personal remodel, and I went all out. I went all in with custom cabinetry, Taj Mahal quartzite countertops, a 10-foot island that just anchored the whole room. So what I actually did with this home was there was an outdoor patio over here, and we actually enclosed it and made it part of the home. And so now there's a second ensuite bedroom. What's nice about having a second bedroom with an ensuite is you could use this for your guests, for multi-generation living, or just using it as your office. Originally in this primary suite, the closet was very small, and we needed to make it larger if we're trying to sell for multi-million dollars in McCormick Ranch. So we had the extra fourth bedroom on that side of the house, so I was able to take the bedroom next door to the master and make it into this killer closet. And of course, my favorite room of any home is gonna be the bathroom in the primary suite. So we made it very spa-like, soaking tub, beautiful walk-in shower. You have the dual sinks, custom cabinetry. You can spend all day in here. You can't live in Scottsdale without the outdoor lifestyle. This home, we made sure was ready for entertaining. Diving pool with a Baja shelf, built-in barbecue, extended patio with pavers. This backyard is ready for any party, just to relax and enjoy yourself or have family over. What makes McCormick Ranch so desirable is the lifestyle. Golf courses, lakes, biking trails, and some of the best dining in all of Arizona. If you want to see more of my projects, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see this one, reach out. It's going to go quick.